almost fell off, but I glued it. Then it came with this dirty thing. Then in the little paw, in this paw, has a defect right there. Then in the back, it has defects. Oh my gosh, the light is so bright. But right here, it has defects. And then on this little ice cream, it has defects in the strawberry, and it has defects. I don't know if you guys see those defects, but it has defects right here. And that's where, oh, and it has a like defect right here. I don't know if you guys see that. But what I like about this, if you guys want your squishies to be like that, like really slow rising, you're gonna want them to put them in the freezer for like 2 hours, then take them out and put them like somewhere where it's hot, then let like all of the coldness melt, and then squish it, and it'll be really slow rising like this. Then for this, I haven't done it yet, but I will do it. And on Wednesday, I will be uploading another video. So you guys make sure to leave a like. Let's try to get this video to 20 likes. I know we can do it. And subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!